Good evening, everyone. We'll start with the session now. So, let's start with a very basic question, that is, what is GDSC? Anuj, next slide. So, GDSC, as the name suggests, stands for Google Developer Student Clubs. Google Developer Student Clubs are student clubs for developers powered by Google. And we can also say that they are university based community groups for students interested in Google developer technologies. हम सब गूगल डेवलपर टेक्नोलॉजी से somehow familiar हैं. If we have any app developer here, so they might be familiar with Flutter. And if we have any backend developers here, so you might have used Firebase, which is a Google developer technology. And all of here are familiar with Google Cloud. Everyone should have heard about it. If you have the knowledge of cloud, you can be a great asset to many prestigious organizations or companies. So Google Cloud is another popular Google developer technology. Our vision is to enable and empower the developer ecosystem in our campus and build impactful solutions. We have to learn in a peer-to-peer learning environment, because when we learn in a peer-to-peer learning environment, together our growth rate accelerates with a very high amount. एंड जब हम एक साथ कुछ चीज़ करते हैं, वी शेयर रिसोर्सेज, हम एक्सचेंज करते हैं क्वेरीज, एंड हम सबको पता है जब वी सॉल्व क्वेरीज we get a better idea, better understanding of the technical concept. The third is focusing on the implementation of knowledge gained through projects. Project building skills makes an individual industry ready. And with this is the I want to present the vision of GDSC AKGC. So, what is GDSC AKGC? It is a learning community that aims to inspire intelligent minds in the field of technology. And this is open to any student. If even if you are a beginner, या फिर तुम्हें like बहुत advanced knowledge है and you are experts of your domain, we are here to welcome you all. We at GDSC AKGC are a passionate group of people who work towards bringing a change in the ecosystem of development around the campus. Our main aim is we want to create a healthy environment for the budding developers to create solutions in the real life problems and promote the developer culture. GDSC AKGC provides opportunity to connect, learn and grow. So by connect we mean कि जैसे ही GDSC you get an opportunity to meet like-minded people, people who are interested in developer technologies. By learn, we mean that you get an opportunity to learn a wide range of technical topics, wherein new skills are gained through hands-on workshops, in-person training, project building activities, and many more. You get an in-depth understanding of the concepts. By grow, we means this is the final step, and by grow, you can apply your new learnings and connection to great solutions for local problems. And when you do that, you enhance your project building skills. तुम grow करते हो along with the community around. You advance your skills, you carry your career and your network. Do I still need to answer the question that why you should be a part of GDSC AKGC? आई थिंक यहाँ पर सब एग्री करेंगे एक पॉइंट पर कि द कॉलेजेस, द academic studies cannot alone make you stand out of the crowd, right? You need some industrial knowledge, some project building skills, so that you stand out of the crowd and you can make a space in the society, a special place for you. So I think every student should be a part of a student community to gain exposure and get an opportunity for growth. When you become a part of the community, you meet like-minded people, as I just said, and you'll get guidance from people who are experts in their domain. So no one should miss an opportunity to to be a part of a student community. We here provide you to gain knowledge on a wide range of subtopics, in depth understanding, and practical implementation as you'll build projects for the society, solving local problems. You get an opportunity to build the team skills as you'll work in a great team and you'll get to learn more about everything. You'll get the guidance from the experts. You'll build soft skills like your communication skills, presentation skills, and develop projects that aid the community for better. Also, to have a you will have a global network as Google Developer Student Club is not limited to a single college. यहाँ पर we have in India we have more than 350 Google Developer Student Clubs and यहाँ पर भी लिमिट खत्म नहीं होती है. Google Developer Student Clubs हमारे all over the world है. Many colleges and more than thousands of GDSCs are over the world. So you get an opportunity to globally network with all the people present there. You can talk to them, you can connect with them, and you can get guidance from the experts all around the world. So it's a great opportunity if you join a Google Developer Student Club. Now we'll present a video which will get you a better idea of how this Google Developer Student Club works.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. There are over 700 clubs all over the world. From North America to Europe, Africa, and across Asia, we encourage more students to join or start a developer student club at their university.
Some students have overcome personal barriers with the help of their DSC community on their journey to become developers. These clubs help student developers learn through hands-on workshops. They then identify challenges faced by local businesses, NGOs, and sometimes even their own universities and build real solutions for real problems.
The workshops that we had was Firebase, Actions on Google, and we're about to do ML. It's an amazing experience to learn about the impact that the technologies that they provide in our local communities.
DSC is a family, and it's not just about the programming, it's about the learning of teamwork and leadership.
A lot of villages face the problem of water, farming, floods. Maybe we can develop applications to solve this problem. Might be very ambitious for us as students to say that, but nothing is impossible. We can do it.
Developer student clubs around the world have already impacted so many students in their universities and people in their community. The future is bright for the next generation of students.
Okay, so now we'll introduce you to our team and the various domains that we have. I would like to hand over the mic to Manya Chaudhary and she'll continue with the presentation.
Hello everyone, I'm Manya Chaudhary from ML Domain, GDSC, third year IT. First of all, I would like to introduce you to our DSC lead, Tashi Gautam from ML Domain. So, I'm here to brief you about machine learning and its importance. Most of you are from second year and had already machine learning as a subject last year, so I think you are familiar with the topic. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that the system can learn from the data and identify patterns and make decisions with a human intervention. The importance of machine has been highlighted from the virtual assistant solutions to self-driving cars and robots that can perform the same tasks as humans. A number of large companies are defining machine learning as the future, but what does that really mean? Think of machine learning as a human and as a technology user. You complete certain tasks that require you to make an important decision or classify something. How would a computer know to do the same thing? Machine learning is a is comprised of algorithms that teach computers to perform tasks that human beings do naturally on daily basis. Machine learning has evolved to mimic the pattern matching that human brain performs. Today, algorithms teach computers to recognize features of an object. In these models, for example, a computer is shown an image of an apple and it's told that this fruit or this image is an apple. So at first, how would the computer classify that particular object or a class of those objects are apples? Obviously, it would first consider its shape. So the computer might classify an apple as round and build a model that states that if something is round, it's an apple. Then suppose we introduce an orange image to the computer. So how would it classify between orange and an apple? It would obviously consider its color because apple is red or green and orange is orange colored. The computer must continually modify its model based on the new information and assign a predictive value to each model, indicating the degree of confidence that an object is one thing over another. For example, yellow is a more predictive value for a banana and red is for an apple. Machine learning's applications derive real-life business results such as time and money saving that have the potential to dramatically impact the future of organizations. At Interactions in particular, we see tremendous impact occurring within the customer care industry, whereby machine learning is allowing people to get things done more quickly and efficiently. Through virtual assistant solutions, machine learning automates tasks that would otherwise need to be performed by a live agent, such as changing a password or checking an account balance. This frees up valuable agent time that can be used to focus on the kind of customer care that humans perform best. High touch, complicated decision making that is not as easily handled by a machine. At Interactions, we further improve the process by eliminating the decision of whether a request should be sent to a human or a machine. Machine learning is the future of technology, but still we are very much far from utilizing its actual potential. Now let me introduce you to my team members. Tarun Raghav, IT 4th year, Apurv Jain, CSE 4th year, Vishesh Kushwaha sir, CSE 4th year, Pranjal ma'am, CSE 4th year, Nihal Chaudhary, CSE 4th year, Shreyanshi Singh, CSE 3rd year, Tashi Gautam, RDSE lead, CSIT 3rd year, Malay Joshi, ECE 3rd year, and myself Manya Chaudhary, IT 3rd year. Now I will hand over to the management team. Vibhuti, you may take over.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. I'm Vibhuti, and today I'm going to give you a brief introduction of management domain of DSC AKGC. So, whenever we hear the word management, we think of something like managing things or managing our daily tasks and making timetable to manage your time. We are right, but to put it all more precisely, management involves planning. It involves decision making, analyzing those decisions and learning from our previous experiences so that we can come up with something better the next time. It also involves communication, it involves problem solving, and most importantly, it involves time management. Every event our society, DSC AKGC conducts, it is the responsibility of management domain to make sure that everything goes on smoothly right from the beginning till the end. If I talk about the most recent event our society conducted, ML workshop, it was our responsibility to establish a proper connection between our society members and all the participants so that all the necessary information could be conveyed. It was our responsibility to make sure that each and every session throughout the 3 days runs smoothly. And it was also our responsibility to select the participants for that workshop. Also, it is our responsibility to bring new projects for our team for the rest of the domains, app development, web development, and machine learning. So we make sure that each and every member of the team, each and every domain works cohesively. And if we are stuck somewhere, if we are stuck at a problem, or if there is some miscommunication or misarrangement, then it is our responsibility to come up with a solution. To summarize all of it, the management team, what the management team ensures is it ensures efficiency, flexibility, and constant development of our team. So now let me introduce you to my team. First, we have Ayushi Bansal, ESC 4th year, then Shubh Shah, CSC 4th year, Pranjal Maurya, EEC 4th year, Shatakshi Upadhyay, IT 4th year, Shivani Khare, CSC 3rd year, Vibhuti Agrawal, IT 3rd year, and Shubhangi Shukla, CSC 3rd year. Thank you. Now I would like to hand over to app development team.
Good evening, everyone, and I hope you are all doing great. I am Manish Kumar from the domain App Development. Being an application developer means starting with an idea, building it from scratch to publishing a fully fledged working app. It generally includes stages like UI UX designing state management architecture, and implementing network calls, and then later on it also includes testing. But there's just more than that here. At GDSC, it becomes really easy to get help for something. The GDSC community allows us to connect with fellow developers, resolve our issues, and learn about new technology. And not only that, we also get to interact and connect with other developers from different domains and regions and learn about their technology and how can we work together. Now, before ending this small introduction, I would like to introduce our application development team. Our 4th year coordinators are Anshika Bajpai and Rishabh Singh sir. And from 3rd year, Apra Jain, myself Manish Kumar, Adnan Ali, and Arpit Chauhan. And now I will hand over to the web development team.
Hello everyone, this is Anushri Gupta from Web Development. Well, every time you use Chrome and browse on it, whatever you see, starting from a single search button to multifunctional component, everything comes under web development. And you people are using it since long and long. Okay, so now let's dig a little deeper and see how exactly everything is. Okay, so web development, it is classified broadly into two categories. First is front-end development and back-end development. Front-end development is also called as client-side development and back-end development, also known as server-side development. Okay, let's understand this with the help of an example. I hope every one of you must have visited McD at least once. So what happens when a customer comes in, the person who takes the order interacts with the customer, and the person who cooks the food serves the order. So similarly is with front end and back end. The user interacts with the UI that is present on the front end, and the code behind this is all the back end. Like in a simple language, we can say that the front end creates an interfacing environment for web visitors to interact with our code. It basically uses the language HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and their relevant framework, such as React, to ensure that content is presented effectively and the users have got excellent experience while interacting with any of the websites. And the backend stores and serves program data to ensure that front end has whatever it needs. Okay, like we all use Facebook. So what do you guys think? Whenever you refresh the feed, there are always new and latest updates. So do you think that there is some Facebook employee who manually changes everything in your feed? Well, of course not. There's a script on the Facebook backend that receives all the update and it regenerates the front end accordingly. So that is what the work of backend is. The languages that you can use for backend may be Ruby on Rails, PHP, Node.js, Java, based on your comfort level totally. Okay, so let me introduce to the web development team. We have Krishna Agarwal, CSE 4th year, Shivam Bisht, CSE 4th year, Vishesh Dhawan, CSE 4th year, Himani Chauhan, ECE 4th year, Hitesh Tripathi, IT 4th year, Manish Dikshit, IT 3rd year, Ashima Saxena, IT 3rd year, Anuj Negi, IT 3rd year, Preeti Jaiswal, CSE 3rd year, Sudhir Singh, IT 3rd year, myself Anushri Gupta, CSIT 3rd year, and Agya Singh, IT 3rd year.
Okay, so now it's time for some fun. Everyone open up a Kahoot Kahoot.it on a new browser tab. You can reply with a yes if you have opened in the chat. There's a link, Kahoot.it. Open that. You all can see a code that is visible, a game pin in front of you. 9423623. All of you just write this code in the box that is visible in front of you, and then you'll enter into this game. Quick, guys, just join in fast. I repeat, the code is 9423623. It's in front of you in the screen. So we have 15 participants, but still we should have more than 20 at least. Guys, join in quick. I'll wait for just 1 more minute so that everyone can join in, and then we'll begin with the quiz. Okay, I can see people are still joining in. Is anyone having issue in joining in, or we should begin? It's your last chance. If you have any issue, you can just message in the chat box, and then we'll wait. And if not, we are just starting. Okay, so, okay. Hardik, we are waiting for you. Just join in quick. Enter this pin, open Kahoot.it, and just enter this game pin, and then enter your name, and you'll be in the list here. Everyone join in from your name. Like if you have joined in from another name, now it's okay. But if someone is joining now, then try to join with your own name so that we get an idea that who is the winner and we can announce that. Okay, so we'll start now. This is the first question. Do what you can't is a tagline of. You have 20 seconds to answer, so please be quick. Everyone, we have just 7 answers and it's 9 seconds. Come on. Okay, so now it's here's the scoreboard, and Lucy is on top. Let's see who will be now. Just do it as a tagline of. This is a very popular one. Everyone should know it. 3 seconds. Oh, like 20 people guessed it right. Scoreboard is changing, and we have Hardik on the top, followed by Pentagon, okay, and Apra. Let's go places. It's a tagline of. You might have heard about this one. Oh, Hardik remains on the top again. If you can't guess this one, then you don't deserve to have it for the rest of your life. I expect like the right answer from each one of you for this. Okay, 13 guessed it right. 7 were wrong. Now we have the scoreboard changing again. Uprise on the top. Okay, Hardik, you are no longer the winner now. I guess you can still make it. Because you're worth it is a tagline of. Nineteen guessed it correct. Yeah, it's L'Oreal. Apra, Sarthak, and Pentagon. Pentagon, you can still make it. Sarthak, you are not too far. You can also. Just be quick. Think different is tagline of. Like, this is one of your favorite brands, guys. Like, everyone has this as their favorite brand, I guess. Maybe your dream company. Okay. 22 guessed it right. VA19 is on the top. Pentagon, Saksham, followed by Anushri and Apra. Good food, good life is a tagline of. You guys are really quick in answering this one. We have 19, 22. Okay. Quick, quick. 25 answered it correct. Wow. You were so okay sure about this one. Saksham is on the top. Savlon is a brand owned by. This one is tough. But you might have come across this even if you don't remember it. 12 guessed it right. Wow. Okay, Saksham is on the top. 4 players hit the streak of 7. Sting is a brand owned by. I think बहुतों की favorite drink होगी ये. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 17 guessed it right. Saksham remains on the top. बाकी लोग भी कुछ करो. Don't you want to win? Full form of LG in LG Electronics. This is a trick question. Let's see. कौन इसका सही आंसर गेस कर पाता है? Okay. Yeah, it was a trick question. And सिर्फ 5 लोग सही guess कर पाए. Okay, Saksham is losing now. Anushri is on the top. Tough round, guys. So next, move on to the next question. City of 7 islands. थोड़ी जनरल नॉलेज बताओ गाइस, इतना तो पता होना चाहिए. Okay, 16 guessed it right. Anushri, Saksham, followed by VA19. Okay. City of Palaces, and also known as the City of Joy. Oh, 7 guessed it right, and 13 guessed it at Jaipur. Guys, you need to Google this one. Switzerland of India. Nine seconds, 8 seconds. Quick, only 21 answers. Okay, 25. Okay, 15 know about this one. Nice. सक्षम वापस से टॉप पर आते हुए. Steel City of India, and also known as the Pittsburgh of India. This is a popular one. थोड़ी हिस्ट्री तो सबने पढ़ी होगी 10th तक. $26 guessed it right. अच्छा, काफी लोगों ने पढ़ी है हिस्ट्री. सक्षम, अनुश्री, लीडर बोर्ड चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा. बाकी लोग इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखा रहे. Come on. This is okay. Motto of GDSC. GDSC session mein, we all are in the GDSC session, so you should have the knowledge. We included this in the session. What is the mode of GDSC? So it's connect, learn, and grow. 14 were right. 7 were wrong. What that? So the first one is Saksham. Congratulations, Saksham. And yeah, runner-up, Shreya. And I missed the fourth one. So Anushri, congratulations. And VA19, whosoever it is, congratulations. So we are coming to the end of the session. And The last question, that do you have any queries? Do you want to know something about GDSC, about GDSC AKGC? Any queries in your mind? That will be soon. Saksham, that will be soon. You'll get an opportunity to join this club. We'll conduct a recruitment where we will judge your skills. We'll test how good you are in your domains through various multiple rounds, like a test and then an interview and so on. You'll get the details of the recruitment soon. We are not announcing the recruitment details right now, but you'll soon get a so just follow up our social media handles. Our Instagram handle, our LinkedIn page, our Twitter page. You'll get the information there. Just be active and then you'll get all the information. Anuj shared the Instagram handle so you all can follow this. The syllabus will be disclosed to you soon. When we'll announce the recruitment, the syllabus will be introduced. The syllabus will be told to you, then you'll be given. But that is what knowledge you hold right now. So you can just start digging up in your domain, start analyzing everything and brushing up your concepts because, yeah, that's soon. The recruitment will be soon. So you can start brushing up your concepts. Manish shared the LinkedIn page. You can follow that. Do we have any more queries? ओके किसी को कुछ माइक ऑन करके क्वेरी बोलनी है कुछ पूछना है तो वी कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट इफ यू आर willing to do the मतलब like if you want to speak up and you don't wish to type then we can also unmute you तो बता दो guys किसी को कोई query है या फिर कोई further information भी चाहिए आई थिंक सारे डोमेन्स में तो कोई भी बंदा परफेक्ट मतलब सारे डोमेन्स में कोई भी बंदा अच्छा नहीं होता है सो एक तो डोमेन होगा दैट यू विश टू जॉइन इन लाइक मतलब कोई तो डोमेन ऐसा होगा यू वांट टू जॉइन इन डीएससी इन दैट पर्टिकुलर डोमेन बट यू कैन give the test for all the domains and but later when you will have to decide that what domain you want to go for. Is there any domain related to security or networking? हमारे पास अभी 4 domains हैं web development, machine learning, app development, and management. But if you have an inclination to security or networking, you can still join the developer student club in any other domain if you have knowledge related to that domain. And you can continue pursuing your security or networking. if you want to. You can join DSC as a management team member. You can join DSC as a management team member, and then you can continue working on your skills in security or networking. जल्दी जल्दी guys question पूछो. We are waiting here. कोई अच्छी सी queries दो. कोई queries नहीं है किसी के पास. Like we have many attendees right now. कोई query नहीं है किसी के पास. किसी को further भी कुछ और पूछना हो. Okay, so Software Incubator is a society, and Developer Student Club is a club. It's a student club, and it's a global club, and you get an opportunity to network with people all around the globe. So it's your call, like what you go want to go for. But like a student club, I just mentioned all the opportunities you will be having, what all benefits you'll be having. There is no restriction from our side. Like if you want to be a DSC member, you can be a member of any other society you wish to, because our main aim is building the skills of the developers we have. So जब तक हम वो aim fulfill कर सकते हैं, मतलब और he or she feels कि वो किसी और society को join करके he wants to explore other fields and other something, so he is free to do that. We have no such restrictions कि कोई GDSC member मतलब होकर किसी और society का member नहीं हो सकता. But I think Software Incubator restricts you to do so. If you are a member of Software Incubator, then you can't be a member of DSC. Yes, you can. Like, if you don't have any knowledge about web app or machine learning, then you can join as a management team member. If you have some designing skills, then you also can join in DSC. We'll soon be coming up with some designing contests for you all, and you can just try out your skills. Test that we'll test you whether you are good enough or not. I think everyone is good enough, and he or she wants to excel in the domain. So that's an option also available here. So you can try out that, and you can also try like be a part of the management team. And management team का part होने के बाद तो हमारे पास सारे options खुले होते हैं. Even if you are a web development team member या किसी और particular developer technology के member होते हो तो you have an opportunity कि तुम बाकी domains को भी explore कर सकते हो. तो management team में रहकर you can explore OS और बाकी सारी जो भी, if you are interested in other things like basis of networking, CSS, and all that. What will be the syllabus for the candidate test at the time of recruitment dive? So we'll share you the syllabus, Yashika. We'll share all the details. We'll share what the rounds will be. We'll share the timeline. We'll share you with every detail that you want for to be a part of a recruitment drive, and you'll be like we will have all the knowledge, and you'll not be stuck in anything. And अगर कुछ होता भी है तो we'll be always there to help you out. But अभी for as of now syllabus disclose नहीं कर रहे हैं. जब वो recruitment का like stay tuned to the channel, जो भी हमारा social media handles है उस पे follow up करते रहो चीज़ों को. We post things. We'll soon be coming up with a 30 days of cloud. You might have heard about it. 30 days of cloud. You'll get swags and everything if you cover up all the tracks. So we'll be soon coming up with that. So फॉलो अप करते रहो सारी चीज़ों को, पोस्ट डालते रहते हैं हम। Next question is from Astha. If you have basic knowledge of some programming language like C and C++, then can we join? Yeah, you can. You can give the the test that will the first round will be the test. Okay, so this is some details that I am spelling about it. So अगर कोई भी है present तो वो pay कर सकता है attention and you'll get an idea how the recruitment is going to happen. मे बी यहाँ पर बहुत लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कैसा कैसा होगा. सो C++ एंड उसकी नॉलेज है तुम्हें तो यू कैन ऑब्वियसली ट्राई आउट द अदर डोमेन्स. थोड़े बहुत नॉलेज उनकी भी होनी चाहिए. एंड लाइक सिमिलर गोज फॉर यू कि लाइक अगर आज था यू वांट यू कैन गो फॉर मैनेजमेंट domain and then you can go with your C++ competitive programming. Like everyone needs to do the competitive programming. That is the first thing you should start with, and that's the thing that will take you far. So C++ and this, we don't restrict anyone with C++ programming from joining, but you can join in the management team if you don't have any knowledge about the other domains. Will the club help us learn the skills, or it will be just a project and contest once? Yeah, like Astha, we are a team and हम projects पे work करते हैं. तो projects जो है वही actually skills build up करने में हमारी help करते हैं. वही skills मतलब हमें industry ready करते हैं because we practice skills while we build projects, right? So that is what we do. And यहाँ पर you will have your third year, your fourth year, जो बहुत ज़्यादा experienced है अब अपने अपने domains में. उनको idea है कैसे कैसे you can excel or can gain more knowledge about the domains. So you'll be learning a lot from them. अगर कोई भी query होती है या कुछ भी तुम्हें किसी में भी चीज़ में भी help चाहिए तो you can just ask them. So you'll get an opportunity to learn from all of them. So yeah, you'll learn skills. And ज़्यादा हम लोग expect नहीं करते कि like you should be experts, because I just said कि like कोई भी beginner है अपनी field में, they can also join. Like अगर तुम्हारे पास just basic knowledge है कि क्या web है, क्या है, just that we just discussed, तो you can join in. You might clear the test and you might join in. So yeah, just keep your hopes high and just try your best जो भी हो, क्योंकि we want to help सारे लोगों को जो कि अगर न्यू भी है टेक्नोलॉजी में, एक्सपर्ट्स मतलब लाइक वी हैव अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर ईच वन ऑफ यू. लाइक अगर कोई एक्सपर्ट है डोमेन में, दे कैन हेल्प देयर टीम मेंबर्स टू, एंड बाकी दे कैन गेट एन गाइडेंस फ्रॉम सीनियर्स. और अगर कोई नहीं है तो ऑल्सो लाइक एंटायर टीम विल बी देयर टू हेल्प यू. सो अगर तुम्हारे सिर्फ बेसिक्स क्लियर हैं एंड आइडिया है तुम्हें कैसे कैसे डोमेन्स हैं, तो देन यू कैन ट्राई योरसेल्फ. Okay, so that will be okay. So the test will be online or offline. I think it can be online as well as offline. It can be like some parts might be online or some might be offline, and like for now we don't have any idea like how this condition will be a few days later. So I think I can't comment on that. It will be online or offline. We'll see how the condition of COVID goes, and then according to that we'll decide that whether we can conduct it in an online mode or an offline mode. We have planned out everything for now, and we can conduct it in both the modes, but see how like कैसी condition होती है उसके हिसाब से decide हो जाएगा. Channels के ऊपर you should be like through with the thing that we put on the social media handles, तो उससे तुम्हें काफी आइडिया हो जाएगा कैसे कैसे चीजें हो रही हैं. No, there is no particular domain about cloud computing. एज ऑफ नाउ अभी तो कोई भी डोमेन नहीं है, बट हमारे टीम के अंदर बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनको क्लाउड की नॉलेज है. Like we'll have members who have knowledge about cloud, from web, from machine learning, from app development. Every like in every domain we have people, क्योंकि like cloud computing तो हर जगह use होती है in every domain. So हमारे पास we don't have a special domain for it, but we have people जिनको knowledge है cloud के बारे में. We'll consider your request, Anmol. If we are a part of a particular domain and have learned the others too in future, so can we part or learn from the seniors about that too, or we are restricted to the one which are no, like मैंने अभी अभी कहा कि अगर तुम्हें जैसे तुम ज्वाइन इन करते हो, इवन मैनेजमेंट टीम से अगर तुम ज्वाइन इन करते हो तो भी तुम्हारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है, तुम वेब डेवलपमेंट की टीम में मतलब कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. वहां पर लाइक तुम्हें एक्सेस सारे टीम मेंबर्स से होगा. ऐसा नहीं कि लाइक सिर्फ अगर तुमने वेब टीम ज्वाइन कर ली तो तुम सिर्फ वेब टीम के सीनियर से इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हो. तो तुम्हारे लाइक इट्स अप टू यू. तुम नेटवर्क करते हो सारे सीनियर्स से, तुम अपनी क्वेरीज पूछते हो, यू टेक अप योर क्वेरीज टू ईच वन. तो हमारे we will be there to answer them all. We'll be there to help you in any domain if you want to move to another domain. Like I started with machine learning and web development. Like I'm doing web development right now. So like web development ki team, they help me a lot, and I can also contribute in the projects that we take up from the web development team takes up. So multiple domains may you can contribute. डिवीजन एज सच कुछ नहीं है कि लाइक पर्टिकुलर डिवीजन है कि एक बार तुमने वेब डेवलपमेंट ने लिया तो उसी में काम करना है. इट्स योर टैलेंट. तुम्हें जहाँ जहाँ अपना लक एक्सप्लोर करना है, जहाँ जहाँ यू वांट, जहाँ जहाँ तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट है, वहाँ वहाँ एक्सप्लोर करो. कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है हमारी तरफ से. लाइक नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन. वी जस्ट वांट कि सारे डेवलपर्स को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, सारे डेवलपर्स को नॉलेज गेन हो. सो कोई भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है कि तुम किसी भी डोमेन पर्टिकुलर डोमेन के लिए हो. Asa, is it out clear now? Okay, I think like we don't have any queries now, so we'll end the session here. Okay, guys, so now we'll see you soon when we'll start with the recruitment. I hope you all will be there. Okay, so good evening. Guys, you can leave now.